Assalamualaikum and a very good morning to Mr. Chairperson. The topic that I'm going to present today is about an ethno-mathematical study on contemporary batik design using alternative resistance. Batik is actually an Indonesian technique of wax resist dyeing applied to the whole cloth. Evidence of early examples of batik has been found in the far Middle East of India over 2000 years ago, and the craft is spreading to the island of Malay archipelago. There are three types of batik. They are traditional batik design, contemporary batik design, and modern batik design. What is traditional batik design? It comprises of traditional craftsmanship. Contemporary batik design is a non-traditional style focusing on simple, clean and neat lines, and modern batik is different by its new motifs. So we can see this is traditional batik design. This comprises of traditional craftsmanship. Secondly, the contemporary batik design is a non-traditional style focusing on simple and neat lines. And you can see the third one is about modern batik. So modern batik is different by its new motifs. The evolution of techniques on batik making start with batik tulis techniques. And another technique on batik making is by using stamp batik or batik cap, where stamp tool made of copper plates forming batik motifs on one of its surface. Nowadays, in replacing the use of copper plate, new alternative resistance had been innovated. So we can see the first one is batik tulis. The second one is batik cap, where you use the copper plate that is stamped on the clean cloth. Okay, and the next one is the new one. The objective of this study is focusing on motifs of contemporary batik design by using four alternative resistance such as iron brush, copper cake mold, paper box, and wooden broom. Due to the objective, we use qualitative exploration research. We employed triangulation method of observation, analysis, and interview. The sample method were the designs using iron brush, copper cake, mold, paper box, and wooden broom. We are going to look at the geometrical character of the motif using different tools. First one, so in the analysis, a few examples of motifs developed from various alternative resistance were analyzed. The motifs are iron brush, copper cake mold, paper box, and wooden broom. The illustration below showed the geometrical character and the arrangement of the motif on the clothes. The first one is using iron brush. The iron brush has a shape of a circle. Why we say it is a circle? It has equal radius and the diameter is the longest chord. The motif then was arranged in tessellation. Tessellation is the arrangement of shape with no gaps. Okay, next is by using the copper cake mold. Copper cake mold has hexagon shape where it has 6 sides and 6 corners. Its internal angle is 720 degrees. This shape is arranged in tessellation. The next one is the motif using paper box. paper box was made into square shape. And Cik Junedi used his creativity by stamping only half part of the square-shaped box and arranged it in tessellation. And the motif using wooden broom. Wooden broom is actually circle shape because the radius is equal, and by setting it to the cord, it is arranged in tessellation. Conclusion: by using alternative resistance of iron brush, copper cake mold, paper box and wooden broom, various designs can be produced. The design is circle shape, hexagonal shape and semi-square shape, can be designed beautifully and colorful on clothes. With that, I thank you.